Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Red Hills Road and we're going to give you an update on the new Birdshack location. There it is straight ahead. No, it's actually open. They are open, up and running. There you can see the location. This is where Sugar and Spice used to be on Red Hills Road. And right across the road is KFC. Now, Birdshack is a fried chicken franchise like KFC, like Popeyes, and they are out of the US. They are not a Jamaican brand. They are out of the US, and a company in Jamaica owns the franchises in Jamaica. And they are building them out at a rapid pace. I must give them credit. They are this. I think this is number 6. They have one in Ocho Rios, 3 in Montego Bay. So this is number 5, and another one coming in Draxall to make number 6. So they are definitely building them out. Now, one thing I've noticed about other fast food chains is KFC is the number 1 fast food chain in Jamaica. But I've noticed that a lot of other fast food chains, especially Burger King, they have their restaurants very close to KFC locations, which is very good because anywhere you see a KFC, you know it's a prime location. I have to give them credit. They put their restaurants at some of the best locations. For instance, they were one of the first ones to open up a restaurant in Draxall. Now, everybody wants a restaurant in Draxall. They opened up one in Falmouth. Right now, Falmouth is booming with activity. So they definitely know what's going on. Now, Birdshack seems to be doing very well as well. They have 3 good locations in Montego Bay, very nice one in Ocho Rios, and now this one on Red Hills Road. Now, I don't think they will ever sell more chicken than KFC, but they definitely are making their presence felt in the food market in Jamaica. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on the build out of these Birdshack locations, and let us know what you think. Can anybody give a review of the food? I haven't reached there yet, but I'm going to go sometime very soon now that this one in Kingston is open, and I'm going to check it out. So guys, if anybody can give a review of the food, just leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.